Stickasaurus here, and today we're starting on a new journey. It's not Kamen Rider, it's not Ultraman, it's not Sentai, it is Metal Heroes. We are starting on, we got Blue Beetleborg, B-Fighter, I don't know what his name is actually. Awesome model, gonna be honest, don't know whose it is, but it's pretty intricate, so I'll give it that. This printed, it's a little small. It fits my head, so I'm fine with it. It's for me. These are all for me. And I do have the little doodad for the top here. Other than that, I think it printed rather nice. This thing's kind of a monster. It's intimidating. And with all these fine details on it, we're not going to just start spot puttying it. I think we're going to UV resin it, light coats, see how we get with that, and fill in any of the trouble areas with spot putty. Like I'm thinking like behind the horn there on the top. I cut it pretty far back to not mess up these ear squares. So the back is rather small, but I think it'll be all right. So it does fit my head. With the glasses off, it fits better. Not sure. I have no idea how to do the eyes on these yet. We'll figure it out as we get there. I'm thinking we just cut out down here and put some visor material in. Not sure, we'll figure it out. But till we get there, let's get some UV resin on this. If the sun ever decides to come back out, it is winter and it's 5 in the morning and it is snowing. So that's fun. Feels like the first snow of winter. So we'll see. But yeah, let's get to it. We are going to start detail lining this. It's probably going to take a long time. I'm going to probably split it up between a couple weeks because it's tedious. But let's get to it. Alright, so as we were doing the detail lines on this, we noticed that the ears weren't quite blue. We were going off an Anarchy picture, which was a bad decision to begin with. It just had like an angle that I was trying to use. But I found the actual pictures from the Prop Master they posted on RPF a long time ago. And it's definitely like a midnight blue, kind of like this ink blue I use on some of the riders. But I have it's metallic, obviously, and I do have this metallic finish, cobalt blue. It's pretty close. I don't remember what I used this on, but I think this is going to be the closest. I'm a little hesitant about throwing this paint on top of what we already painted. I would have done things differently if I realized this earlier. Again, my bad. I should double check the reference. But we're going to put this on here, see what happens, and then we'll get back to getting all the line work done and everything. All right, we got this all cleared, looking nice. I think the best we can do. It was an absolute nightmare to do all the detail lines, but I'm happy with it. We're gonna do the visor. We got some plastic, it's gonna be red, gonna just glue it in there. Should be super simple. Magnets, elastic. Then we'll get to the spin around.
Another big bad Beetleborg finished. This is Blue Beat, I think. I don't know what his Beetleborg name was. I think that's it. I'm not sure. Anyway, this thing is a labor of love. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. It barely fits. If I have my hair completely down and my neck at the right angle, I can get it to close. But if I stretch my neck at all, it pops. We could probably put another magnet in there and maybe it might hold a little better, but it also feels like a death trap, so I'm kind of glad it doesn't. But this is really hard to print to begin with. I'd probably print it differently now. I did print this, the week my son was born was when we got it off the print bed, and he will be probably past 2 once you see this video, so that's about how long it took to actually get around to doing this. We are working on all of them. We do have red done, so go back, check out the red Beetleborg helmet video if you're interested. Green will be next, followed by Shadowborg, and then we'll start getting to the metallics ones, the Kabuto ones. This was a challenging helmet. All the detail lines is always challenging. The ears, I think, are closer to the screen than just painting them blue, like I've seen some people do. I wish the eyes were a little brighter. I think we used too thick of plastic. Or the tint wasn't quite right. Might have been better off for once using some window tint instead of using spray tint on the eyes. If you put a light behind them, it'll look really sick though. So, I mean, I guess that's got that going for it. Other than that, I super enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed watching this thing. It was tedious. It was definitely tedious, but I think it was worth it. I think we did a good job not losing all the details, trying to smooth it and all that, and I think it's pretty good. But look forward to the rest of the Beetleborgs. I promise they are all coming slowly, but they are coming. You're more than welcome to pop on stream and tell me to get started, get working on one, and we'll try to get it closer to the list. As always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplay Props and Toys, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex, where we're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day. Working on these big bad Beetleborgs and helmets. I like them. Check out the merch store. We've got cool t-shirts, hoodies, cups, whatever you're into. Join the Discord. Lots of fun people over there. Lots of other prop makers, model makers, cool people just having a good time. Check out the Patreon. $1 tier, you can vote on the community build helmets, help pick a theme, pitch your ideas. Maybe your helmet idea will get made. Get a video, exclusive videos over there, all kinds of great stuff. So check that out. As always, I'm Stickasaurus. I'll see you next time.